one of our 2 nursing labs. Within these labs, we have mannequins that we perform various assessments on in different scenarios. And right now we have our professor and 2 students that are doing that exact same thing. Hi guys, so what are we up to over here?
What are we doing today?
I'm taking vitals.
I'm the patient.
Okay, gotcha. So we're taking vitals. You're acting as the patient because these mannequins can't talk. These mannequins are very high-tech and come with many features, including all vital signs. So we're gonna take a listen to this patient's heart rate. So we'll listen for the heart rate, and it's present. Also on this side of the patient's arm, we have IV access, a call bell, same as in a hospital. You press the bell and a nurse comes over.